Stop scrolling, because in this video, I'm revealing the best budget tablets that actually outperform some $800 iPads. I've tested 5 insane picks, ranked from number 5 all the way to the shocking number 1 pick. And trust me, you're going to want to see the last one. We're breaking down the best budget tablets in terms of performance, battery life, screen quality, and features, so you'll know exactly which tablet gives you the most bang for your buck. And yes, if you want the prices and links, check the description and pinned comments. But stick around, because the number 1 tablet is going to completely change your budget tablet game. Starting off at number 5 is the Lenovo Tab P13 Plus, a tablet that's basically a mini home theater in your hands. This thing is all about sound and visuals, making it perfect for streaming, casual gaming, and binge watching. Lenovo packed it with quad JBL speakers, so when you're watching an action movie or blasting music, it feels like you have a tiny concert right in your living room. The bass hits, the highs sparkle, and the audio separation is impressive for a tablet under $400. Honestly, it's the kind of tablet that makes your friends ask, "Wait, is that an iPad?" But it isn't, and you didn't pay $800. The 11-inch 2K OLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate is silky smooth and visually stunning. Scrolling social media feels buttery. Watching Netflix, Disney Plus, or YouTube, vivid, crisp, and immersive. Even casual gaming looks impressive, and the 2K resolution makes every video or game pop with vibrant colors. Sure, outdoor visibility isn't perfect, it's not going to survive full sun like a flagship, but for indoor entertainment, this screen is basically cinematic-level gorgeous. Inside, the Snapdragon 870 processor with 6 GB of RAM is more than capable for everyday multitasking and light gaming. You can hop between 5 apps, stream videos, check emails, and even play a casual mobile game without the slightest hiccup. And the 10,000 mAh battery is a beast. It powers over 12 hours of continuous Netflix or YouTube. Combine that with 45-watt fast charging, and you're ready to go in under 2 hours, which is basically instant for a tablet this size. Lenovo also included a kickstand, which makes it perfect for hands-free viewing and optional keyboard support, turning this into a mini portable workstation. Storage starts at 128 gigs, but you can expand with microSD, so hoarding media, games, or work files isn't a problem. Cameras are 8-megapixel front and rear, not mind-blowing, but fine for Zoom calls, Teams, or casual selfies. The aluminum build adds a premium feel that tricks people into thinking you spent $700. In short, if big sound, crisp visuals, and smooth multitasking are your priority, the Lenovo Tab P13 Plus punches way above its price. It's essentially a budget entertainment monster that makes you question why anyone pays more for less. Number 4 is the Apple iPad 10th generation, and while it's a few years old, it's still a king of value in the Apple ecosystem. This is the tablet for anyone who wants Apple reliability and performance without selling a kidney. The 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display is bright, sharp, and colorful. Watching Netflix, playing casual games, sketching, or note-taking all look amazing. Every swipe and scroll is smooth, and the colors pop without looking oversaturated. Inside, the A14 Bionic chip still smashes multitasking, streaming, and light video editing like it's brand new. You can run multiple apps, hop between Safari tabs, stream YouTube, and open creative apps without lag. Battery life easily lasts a full day of heavy usage, which includes streaming, video calls, browsing, and creative tasks. The redesigned chassis with slimmer bezels and USB-C port means you can use modern accessories like the Magic Keyboard Folio or Apple Pencil, turning this tablet into a powerful productivity and creative machine. Video calls are better than ever, thanks to the landscape front camera, keeping you centered and professional for Zoom meetings or FaceTime chats with family. Storage starts at 64 gigs, enough for casual users, but heavy media hoarders might need iCloud. Stereo speakers punch way above their size. Optional 5G keeps you connected anywhere, and battery life is rock solid for a full day of mixed tasks. The beauty of this iPad is Apple's ecosystem. Apps run smoothly, software updates come reliably, and the build quality still feels premium. Even though it's older, the 10th Gen iPad is proof that you can have Apple performance on a budget, making it a smart buy for students, creatives, and casual users alike. Number 3 is where things get really spicy, the Microsoft Surface Go 4, which is basically a tablet pretending to be a laptop. If you want something that's portable but still lets you actually work, this is your pick. The 10.5-inch Full HD touchscreen is bright, sharp, and responsive. Netflix and YouTube look amazing, casual games play smoothly, and note-taking or drawing feels natural. Under the hood, it comes with an Intel Pentium Gold or i3 processor paired with 8 GB of RAM, which is plenty for multitasking across Office apps, Zoom, Chrome, and light creative tools. You can literally run Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Teams all at the same time without the tablet breaking a sweat. Storage is 128 gigs SSD, expandable via microSD, so connecting monitors, keyboards, or other peripherals is easy. And the best part? It runs Windows 11, meaning you can install actual desktop software, something most budget tablets cannot even dream of. Photoshop, Light Premiere, Office, Teams, you name it, Surface Go 4 can handle it. It's lightweight, portable, and surprisingly versatile, making it perfect for students, commuters, or professionals who need flexibility. The speakers and cameras are basic, but considering the sheer productivity power packed into a tablet this size, it's insane value. Surface Go 4 is basically a mini laptop you can toss in your bag, and at its price, it's a hidden gem nobody talks about enough. Runner-up is the Blackview Tab 11 Pro, a budget tablet that hides a monster inside. The 11.6-inch Full HD display pops with vibrant colors, making streaming, gaming, and reading a total delight. Watching Netflix? Sharp. YouTube? Immersive. Reading ebooks or manga? Comfortable on the eyes for hours thanks to eye comfort modes. Inside, it packs an octa-core processor and 6 GB of RAM, perfect for web browsing, multitasking, streaming, and light gaming. The 8200 mAh battery is ridiculous, up to 37 hours of calling or light use, which beats most budget competitors by a mile. Storage is expandable up to 1 terabyte, so you can hoard media, games, and apps without worrying about running out. Android 14 keeps everything running smooth and clean. The 8-megapixel front camera is great for Zoom, selfies, and video calls. Plus, the included folio case adds durability. Lightweight, practical, and surprisingly powerful, it feels like a $500 tablet pretending to cost $300. If you prioritize battery life, screen size, and versatility, this tablet is a steal. Blackview basically said, "We don't need hype, our tablet does all the talking." For binge watchers, casual gamers, or productivity lovers, this is a hidden treasure. And here it is, the tablet that actually outsmarts expensive iPads, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, my #1 pick and honestly the ultimate budget beast of 2026. It packs a Snapdragon 695 processor and 8 GB of RAM, making multitasking, streaming, and casual gaming effortless. The 11-inch 90Hz display is smooth, vibrant, and sharp, perfect for Netflix binges, YouTube, or casual gaming. Heavy games like Genshin Impact? Dial the settings down and it's playable, no drama. Storage is expandable up to 1 terabyte, so you can hoard all your media. The sleek metal chassis feels premium and solid, and the quad speakers deliver surprisingly immersive audio for a budget tablet. Battery life lasts through a full day of mixed use, whether you're streaming, gaming, or working. Samsung adds split-screen multitasking, multi-user profiles, and 4 years of security updates, giving it insane long-term value. It might not have a fingerprint sensor, but when you look at the price, performance, and feature set, it's hands down the best budget tablet of 2026. It's the one that proves you don't need to spend $800 plus to get a smooth, premium, and capable tablet.